Hi, this is Andy Bennett from Bennett Safe Gas, and this is a tool talk review, and it is on the UltraGrime Power Scrub. These are the textured version. These are the multi-use. These are not textured. They are exactly the same, other than one side is textured. They are very big wipes, as you can see, massive. But you don't have to use all of it. You can rip it in half, take that, put it away in there, and close it up. It will stay wet. That's half. If you want just a tiny strip, just rip a tiny strip off, and it will just keep ripping in half and half, or however you want it. They are good. My hands aren't dirty, I can't show you, but the texture side, it is just about rough enough. The other side is smooth. If you're doing bathrooms or paneling or anything where you're worried that you're going to scratch the surface, if you fold it in half, it's smooth both sides then. And they are absolutely brilliant. They do clean silicone. I've tested, as I do a lot of bathrooms. They are just as good as probably competitors. Personally, I think they're better. They are much wetter. I mean, this is just a little half one, just to show you, and that's just half. That's off the top of a fairly new pack, and you can put it back inside. The bottom ones are wetter, but wring them out if you don't want them that wet, and away you go.